even though grids are the way to go, sometimes we just want regular blocks, regular boxes, which are full size, just one after another after another. For example, here in our infinite scroll, there is just a block, then another block, then another block. So for this, we just can use regular blocks. Well, nothing is here. In our candy box, we just put a div content, and let's put a div content right after our content, which will be the main box, the main container. And then inside that box, we're going to put several other boxes. One for the top profile bar, one for the picture, one for the action icons and button toolbar, another for the toolbar that said who likes our post, then descriptions, and then it will be the comment section. And then we did our box model. So we have our full container and then small container inside, and we can put whatever we want. Like for the profile item, the thumbnail would be perfect. Then we put a picture, then we put a toolbar, all kind of stuff we already saw. So let's just fast forward this and see the result. And here it is. I just changed my mind on some point. So I put a generic item, but with a label. And when you put a heading and a paragraph inside the label inside a generic item, you got something quite pleasant. And the advantage with the thumbnail is like the thumbnail will be here for a square image, but the avatar item is better because it's round in our case. Okay, so that's quite good. Maybe I just could change. I would like to show you this. Just change your icon size. Very fast forward, you put it to large. But as you see, nothing new, nothing complicated. But I would just like to add, when you can, just use grid and rows and columns as a way to go. It's way simpler. It's a great way to standardize. In some cases, you can want to make some custom stuff with a div, but when you can, just use the grid, because all hail the grid. So that's great for that. The next thing we are going to do is to scroll a bit, because Instagram is all about scrolling, and that's where we're going to put. We're going to put a lot of scroll into our app. See you there.